Most people think estate planning is about paperwork. It's not. It's about avoiding mistakes that turn grief into chaos, freeze assets, destroy businesses, and tear families apart. Today, we're breaking down the most common estate planning mistakes and how to avoid them. What's up, everyone, and welcome back. If you've been putting off estate planning because it feels uncomfortable, complicated, or something you'll deal with later, this video is for you. Because most estate planning failures don't come from bad intentions, they come from inaction. Mistake number one, thinking estate planning is only for the wealthy. You don't need millions just to set up an estate plan. If you have a home, a business, kids or dependents, or even investments or life insurance, you already have an estate. However, without a plan, the state decides how it's handled through probate. And the state doesn't know your family, your business, or your values. Mistake number two, relying only on a will. Now, don't get me wrong, a will is important, but it's not enough. Wills go through state probate, they become public record, they take a lot of time to work through, and they offer you limited control. For many families and business owners, a will without a trust creates delays, expenses, and unnecessary stress. Estate planning isn't about having documents, it's about having the right structure. What's mistake number three? Not planning for incapacity. Most people plan for only death, but few plan for being incapacitated. What happens if you're alive but unable to make decisions? Without powers of attorney or a properly structured trust, accounts can be frozen, medical decisions get delayed, and loved ones may need court approval just to help you. Incapacity planning is just as important as end of life planning, and maybe even more. Mistake number four, forgetting to update the plan. Life changes fast. You have marriage, divorce, kids, business growth, property purchases. An estate plan that made sense 5 years ago might be dangerous today. If your plan doesn't evolve, it breaks. Mistake number five, not coordinating beneficiaries and ownership. This is actually one of the biggest silent killers of estate plans. Your trust, will, beneficiary designations, account titles, they all need to work together. If they don't, the documents you thought mattered don't matter at all. Paperwork without coordination is just false confidence. Mistake number six, business owners not planning for succession within the business. If you own a business, this one's super critical for you because without a plan, partners may be stuck. Families may inherit a mess. The business can lose value and employees get hurt. Estate planning for business owners isn't about death, it's about continuity. Someone has to be able to step in immediately. The estate planning conversation is not to be a scare tactic. It's not about fear. It's about control, clarity, protecting the people you love, protecting what you've built. If you don't know whether your current plan actually works or you've never set one up, that's okay. What matters is fixing it before it becomes a problem. If you want help reviewing or structuring an estate plan that actually holds up in real life, check the link below and go ahead and book a conversation with someone from my team. It's no pressure, just to give you some clarity. If this video helped at all, please like, share, and subscribe with someone who's been avoiding this conversation. Because the biggest estate planning mistake is doing nothing. All right, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.